Kijk.
And you are live.
Yeah. Absolutely. So, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna analyze the London session and prepare for the trading day. Look if there are already some opportunities for us or not. I always begin my day at a high time frame, of course, so let's begin at that. As you can see, we touched our 3-day order block, demand, how you want to call it. We got a bounce from that after taking our sell side liquidity over here. Um, yeah, the 4 hour not really interesting. The dumps are incredibly big, of course. So not much to see. The 1 hour, however, is looking pretty good. We already have one close above this high. We don't yet have a open and close, but you could call it a change of character, break of structure, just what you prefer. We flipped a new day opening gap as well. We're holding it, so it's pretty bullish. We also made a value gap. So let's see if this gives us something. Because you can see on the 50-minute, it's just sideways. We're ranging right now. Is this an SMT? No. I'm also here with Trader Cage, the partner in crime, as always. It's already in the chat, I can see. He's not so... he's not ready to talk, I think.
There we go. I'm back.
There's the master.
What's up, guys? It's also Trader Cage here. Of course, my channel should be in the description, but that doesn't matter. Results are gonna speak for itself. You'll find me on the channel in no time. Don't worry about that.
Give me 1
Um,
second. It's fixed really quickly.
you do have this 1 hour gap pointing in the charts, and I do not. I only have 2 lines in the chart here where I want to see that bounce coming from. I'm curious if you know what 2 lines.
Hmm. Low to hold, so irrelevant. Get rid of this one. It's not relevant anymore. Probably something like this.
All I have in the chart is the little origin in the bottom where you just put your first low line on.
Yeah.
Um, that's your optimal zone.
This is just your old high. It doesn't really mean anything, but sometimes you get
Yeah, well,
reaction from it.
we can expect the bounce from now because we've connected our old structure. But what I don't like is we've had this range with 3 taps above, which is correct. It hit its technical target towards the bottom. Then we deviated the low, and that's where the strength came from for a new high. But what I do not like is that we started ranging above our thing. It is pretty much within our DL tool, or it is not in our DL tool. I don't think it's valid, but still, after you went above the range, you started ranging. So um, don't want to go too aggressive for
Yeah,
longs here because the range did broke down, even though we left good liquidity. I think it's until we lose the low on 405, it's up until proven otherwise. And we're just gonna have to wait till the pullback.
yeah.
And
Your high
most,
time from structures bullish, of course.
yeah, we're in a buy model since Asia opened, got a massive new up, and
Oh,
London is following that. Because when London opened, we started going towards liquidity, swept a really nice part, and then just made a new high. So
we're just
just
making
expecting that to follow.
distributions to take out the lows for further upside.
Yeah,
That's what happened here as
100%.
well.
And then we're just pushing through everything, making new highs.
Yeah,
So expectation order flow would be another higher low for another higher high.
no,
And most of the
absolutely.
time, they give that part in the origin. Maybe you can say something about that, what that is.
The origin in this case is your first pullback in your move up, well, your first hold in your move up. So price is coming up aggressively, and we come back, we hold the low, and we move up further. So it's yeah, your first pullback, your first hold in the move up.
Okay, that's technically explained, but what happened there? What's the psychology behind it?
That orders are being filled.
Not there on the bottom. Something happened there in the market because we were still bearish when we were going down.
In this case, you mean?
Before we made that origin, we were still bearish until we've made that hold and broke a new high. So what happened there? Who stepped into the market?
Uh, the guys with the big back box, obviously. Otherwise, price can push through this liquidity
Exactly.
this hard.
That
Yeah.
that is the first part where well the market makers decided to step into the market and then hold price and push price up after sweeping uh, a really good part of
Yeah.
liquidity and then making new highs. So that would be our optimal zone for really to look for longs. It was a good sweep and it was a really aggressive move up. So I don't think they're really gonna give much right here. Um, because there's a little trail of liquidity on the 1 minute. You can see
Yeah.
it. It's really ugly. I do not want to find support there. I think
Never.
we are going to, but I think we want to sweep it because I mean that little liquidity trail is the part, of course, that broke to new highs. But I
It's not where the
think
power
the
came from. It's obviously from the origin. I mean, as you said, it's the first place the market makers are gonna enter their positions to push price higher. And
100%,
most of the
and I
times,
think
if they want to hold their positions, they're gonna protect this low. You can see a sweep here, and then move price towards the upside again.
yes, there is going to be a lot of stop losses in that little liquidity trail from the retail players that have already taken profit above here and
Yeah,
is just
100%.
waiting to get stopped out and waiting for their position to get taken over.
Yeah. After London session, we immediately swept the high. That was interesting.
Yeah, I saw that with the model and all, but
Yeah,
no
yeah,
really valid
three
low to
tabs.
break. But
Nah.
it
What was
was
it? Yeah.
pretty clean. I think 2 months ago we've shot that. We
If we
would have
saw
shot
this
that.
2 months ago and a Model 3 with hunting the London high after the London session, yeah, 100%.
Well, I mean, results don't lie because you had the 1 minute fair value gap,
It's just looking at liquidity, right? It's looking where is your liquidity and where did you take your
and
liquidity. So
we
where's
are
price
leaving
gonna head
highs
next?
open.
Uh,
I mean, if you let that run towards where price went to the deepest right now, just another target because little wick is connecting there. That would be 3 R's. So
yeah.
um, not bad, but
And we're not starting to take the big liquidity as well. I mean, we took PM high, that's one thing, but I mean, look at these highs. It's no joke.
yeah, there's still enough to take.
Whoa.
We can
Yeah.
get some.
So there was a big rally down, but today's maybe the day for new upsides since a long, long time. Because now we have taken out all this liquidity here, so it's our first strong support, if you want to call it. It's a higher time frame demand, so
Sure, we were looking at that when price was even at 22K.
yeah,
We
100%.
were saying to our friends, well, we were thinking the price is gonna go there. No, no, Cheyenne, it's not gonna go there.
Yeah,
And,
we're gonna go
and
all-time highs. You never short when you're close to all-time highs.
look at it now. It's
Yeah,
right there. Only did cost a few days. It was so quick, man. It
yeah, it
was
was
such a quick
unbelievable.
move down.
It was
It's Bro,
unbelievable.
we dumped harder than we freaking pumped the whole time. It's
Yeah, that's fear,
wow.
you know. It's when fear is strong, people are selling really strongly. So
Stop losses is uncertainty about Trump. A lot of factors right now
yeah,
for
absolutely.
price to do that.
If there are some new guys watching right now, leave a comment. Let us know what you want to see, what you want to know. We're here to spit some knowledge, so please do. But yeah, right now, what do we want to see? We swept all local liquidity. It's yeah, small up moves are expected after taking all your local liquidity, but the best thing is for price just to come down slowly, sweep the origin, and then break structure towards the upside for
Yeah,
new upside.
that don't even have to sweep it. If we do, then the best setup in life can come. But
Yeah, absolutely.
just touch that order block, or else if we don't take the liquidity on that high right there, then it's just down until proven otherwise. So
For the local picture, yeah,
yeah,
absolutely.
we're just gonna grind down. But if we can leave that liquidity trail on the highs, oh
Oh
man,
yeah.
Cheyenne, I have another setup for you.
LT Trade Crypto is asking, what do we expect for the New York session? Well, what do we expect? As we said, higher time frame, still bullish until proven otherwise. If we leave open and don't break this low on 19,400, we're just going up. Yeah, where's New York gonna seek for liquidity? We have some news at 3 o'clock, I think.
I mean, my
So
my buddy is early because it's 3 4 hours till New York, and there's still so much price to develop.
yeah,
So
it's
it's really hard to tell where New
yeah,
York is gonna
absolutely,
go. Like
absolutely.
Chartsmith said, if we can keep the low at 400, then we're just gonna keep moving up and search for liquidity on the highs, which there is enough of.
Yeah.
And if we do break that low, of course, we can get a little sweep, but I do not prefer it. Depends on the reaction of the sweep, but um,
it was a big Asia session, man. Wow.
Oh, insane. New York's gonna be dead. It's always
Yeah,
when
it's
Asia's moving that much, then,
yeah, it's unbelievable. But yeah, Asia
even
took out
even
all the liquidity and touched the POI, so it's
bro,
obvious.
Asia 1400. It's crazy. It's so crazy.
A long time ago, I saw
I mean,
something like it.
yesterday we were still looking at Asia, right? We were still right there.
Yeah, yeah, we're we were behind the desk when Asia opened.
There's no
Well,
way of
we went to
freaking
bed just
playing
before this
this.
dump.
Yeah, no way of playing this.
No, never. You can't expect price to move up so aggressively after taking all your liquidity and bouncing from your
Yeah,
POI. I mean, yeah, it's a sign the low is protected. But what are you gonna do? After this move, taking this high, maybe you could have entered the long, but where are you gonna do this? I mean, yeah, this is your structure you wanted to hold. This little piece of price action over here.
yeah. I also have 2 lines on that. That's
So
your
you
my
came
time
up.
frame origin.
I mean, is this nice to play? If you want to play something, this is your only play in this whole move up. Then,
Nah, I'll never do it.
but I could never do something like this in Asia and everything. I mean, stop loss of almost 200 ticks in Asia. Come on, man. First TP, never of your life you can play it. No. Hmm. Asia kept all the points really nicely. All your just hold points you want to hold. Well, is this 5 minutes? Yeah, the wick is just ugly.
Chart Smith is getting a lot of interaction here.
From some kiddies, I can see the perfect 7. Sup, perfect 7. What's up, mate? Nice to see you here. If you have some experience in trading, please let us know. Please talk about it. Teach me something.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Can you make me Can you make Trader Cage a mod? There's someone I need to time out here.
Okay. Edit
That's
the
bad
moderator.
behavior.
Managing moderator.
It
There you go, mate.
I won't even lie to you. The chat doesn't even pop up for
No,
other people.
not for me as well, mate. So I don't know
Oh,
what what
really?
what was said.
Doesn't it pop up for you? Why not?
No, no, no. I can see it. I mean, maybe it's. Let me have a look. Oh yeah, I can see it. If I click on live chat, it wasn't top chat. It's yeah. Well, the
Uh,
perfect 7. That's great. But this is not the place to talk about things like that, mate.
Perfect 7, you're getting a 1 minute timeout. You're getting a 1 minute timeout. You
Into your
shouldn't be
corner,
doing that.
getting into your basket, kitty kid.
Oh no.
Okay. Well, let's see if we're gonna grab this liquidity or not. That's
We could. We did build up a lot liquidity before that.
yep.
Just swept it. Are we gonna get that aggressive move up again? If so, then I think today is gonna be a pretty bullish day.
If we're gonna hold this so strongly, 100%. I mean,
It's another one watching. Welcome to the stream.
what's up? lot of lines in the chart.
I burned Wilm on that yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This one can get rid of it. I mean,
burned him
beside
to the
touching.
ground. I think there were 8
What?
lines in the screen at once.
Yeah, Wilm is the line trader. It's not yet a fully trend line trader, but it's close.
He could be here now. He could
What's up,
be
Wilm?
here.
Please chat with us. Ask some in-depth questions. We know you're the Nasdaq master as well. You've traded some funded yourself. So, and if it's not Wilm, it's just another guy. Also, chat with us. Let us know your experience. Let us know what you want to see, what you want to know. There's enough knowledge in our brains to help you with certain things. This was your most aggressive hold we're bouncing from now, so
Oh,
it's really strong if we're gonna take out the highs.
yeah. This would be
It
crazy.
would be lovely there.
Still in the premium
I've no music on the background. Well, what is
count
this,
of the
mate?
swing, but I don't know. He left because of it.
Yeah, I think so. Um,
Ooh, let me see if I can grind up a present here.
nah, not on my stream. I mean, if you're streaming yourself, let out
I
those
give, I
profits.
give,
But
I give presents away during the streams. I do. I really do. Not anymore because all of the present streams
have
are
been
deleted.
deleted.
YouTube did not want the present. The viewers also did not because when I did those presents, they just left.
La la
So,
la
are you
la.
using Spotify or free copyright? Because you should use Spotify.
No, this is not free copyright. This is just Snoopy Doggy Dog, mate.
For viewers, welcome to the stream, everyone.
What's up,
If you're
guys?
enjoying it, then definitely like and subscribe to the channel.
And let us know some things you want to know about. Talk about your trading experience.
Are
Let
you
us know
bullish
what you
or
want to
bearish
see.
today?
Yeah, that's an important question as well. I mean, everybody has a different view, different way of analyzing the chart. We're not really pushing through here.
I think around maybe in 1 or 2 hours there will be a play, but
Yeah, until
we,
now it's just the waiting game.
I mean, what do you think about if we make an SMT with the high here and we start going towards the lows?
The high of 10 o'clock, just after taking London high, you mean?
No, just this.
Oh, this high.
Just
Yeah,
making
I
a
mean,
SMT with it and start breaking structure locally. I mean,
it's if that happens, it would be logical to move towards the downside because this is the first high you want to reject if you don't, if you not yet have enough fuel to take out liquidity on the high. So if we do, I mean, yeah, it can give some bearish signs with rejecting the high, but um, is it a play? I mean, until where are you gonna play this? You have this local low you just made. You have something over here. It's not even really nice liquidity. I mean, yeah, there is people that have bought there and put stop losses over there, obviously, but yeah, and then it's your origin. That's it. I mean, your drawn liquidity isn't pretty.
you're basically just you're shorting into support.
Yeah, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, high time frame is bullish, so we want to wait for the bullish play.
Absolutely, you don't want to
Because then,
trade against momentum. It would be
yeah,
stupid.
that's when you get the most profitable trades, of course. Agreed.
Yeah, and I mean, if you're gonna move towards the downside, it probably won't be a fast move. Hopefully, it can be, but maybe below this low it can go quick because nothing is holding you back here. You're just shorting towards support, as you said, but until here it's probably really slow. Because you can also still hold this low and come up again and make some sort of compression. So you don't know here. Seven views, everybody leaving. They're not down for our knowledge gauge. What do you think about that? They're scared of it, I think.
I know if they're not talking in chat, then I don't think they are good traders. Oh, this smoothie. There's
Nvidia.
pepper in my smoothie. It's burning.
Ah, beautiful.
Nvidia, yeah. Soon Sam requested that yesterday as well.
So maybe you can share Nvidia with us. I mean, you charted it. So.
Oh no.
You can share your thoughts on Nvidia. I mean, it's a big part of the Nasdaq, you know. So.
Oh no. You want me to share my screen?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh no.
Okay. Let's look at the master screen here. And his thoughts on Nvidia.
What is up, guys? It is Cage here, and today we're going to chart Nvidia. We were uptrending for a while now, and then we've started a range. And when we're uptrending, we want to draw our range from top to bottom, which I have done between these 2 points. After that, we've started moving between the high and the low, and we have made a deviation of the high. That could possibly sign that we could make a distribution. So you had 2 options when you've deviated the high. You can either grab extreme liquidity, touch extreme supply, or go the high one more and take it out. And when we did that, when you then start to break structure towards the downside, your model is confirmed and you can expect further price action towards the opposite side of the range, which is no surprise. Of course, it is dumping like crazy. This is also why the Nasdaq is going down a lot, because of course pretty much all of the liquidity of all the retail Americans are in Nvidia. So we broke structure right there, and that's also when order flow switched bearish, and we've started making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and we are still following that trend, even though we have a little demand here, and we could expect a relief bounce from here. Our order flow is still always bearish. You can also still go for the lower high and then go for the lower low, because our technical target would be the opposite side of the range.
But if we don't, is that fine or isn't it?
If we go up from here, you mean?
Yeah.
I mean, if we go up, our up move is confirmed if we break this high, and if we break this high, we're so close to all-time highs. So I'm not sure I will keep being bearish as long as we cannot break this whole down move, because our order flow is still bearish. It would be wrong for me to look for longs on the lower lows we've just made, to long it up in a lower high. That's just against the trend. You should look for shorts here, and sell your positions here, your positions here.
It looks a bit like NQ as well. I mean, NQ is on support right now. Nvidia is on support, so we can expect some relief bounces from Nasdaq and Nvidia. So
That's why the Asians started buying up the bonds on the
yeah, I
market.
mean it's the smart thing to do, right? I mean, from the big stocks we can expect some upside. So what can we expect from Nasdaq?
When are the dividends of the? Uh,
Tomorrow, man.
okay, yeah, but that's just the calculation. The payment date is April 2.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
So if we're still downtrending from there, there's gonna be a lot of selling. But,
Let's get you off the screen here.
of course. Oh, we are taking the highs.
Yeah.
I was questioning if I should call Shine.
Cheyenne, we're taking the highs here. Get your wallet.
Buy a contract to thank you now.
Oh no, maybe sell right now.
No, it's the red candle. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh no. There was still fewer with us, but he's gone now.
He's scared of Shine as well. It's still a place to reject, right? I mean, this is just your drop off. So
100%. It's your first drop off point. Everyone FOMO shorting is stopped out now, but it's the same now. If you cannot break the local low on 537, you're just gonna keep on pumping towards the highs. So we're just gonna keep going towards that liquidity. Unless we can break that low, then there are signs of returning back to the low of 506.
Yeah. Absolutely. Agreed.
I can't believe you just said that on YouTube. You're poisoning. No, you're enlightening the youth with your.
I mean, we're not poisoning, we're enlightening, mate.
Oh, we are enlightening the youth, of course.
So,
if anyone's in here, then, oh my god, if he's gonna talk to us, then all the attention is to him. He can request everything he wants.
It's a golden day for the random guy that's watching.
If he wants crypto, then the chartsmith is going to analyze crypto.
Yeah, I can analyze
crypto. If he wants forex or gold,
we can
then
analyze gold and forex.
Then the chartsmith will analyze gold or forex.
Chill down, mate. You're gonna make him leave. Now he's getting scared again. We're always scaring the people. I mean, we have a big mouth. We can give them some golden knowledge, but we're just scaring them away.
No,
because the chartsmith will tell you how it is.
there's a loyal one in right now.
Yeah. Who
Perfect 7 is never coming back.
No.
He got timed out.
He's banned forever.
No. Someone will have to do something really weird for me, the moderator of the channel, the chartsmith, to ban someone in this chat.
Let's see how our content is going.
Bruv, Tesla was minus 15 yesterday. You knew that?
Let's have a look
minus 15, bruv. We're in our demand.
MicroStrategies as well. It's wow.
Yeah,
wow,
but that follows Bitcoin. That one follows Bitcoin. That's expected.
Yeah. Yeah, you pushed through this first hold like it was nothing. Wow.
Tesla on support, strategy on a little bit of support here.
Yeah, so today is probably a day to bounce, like we said. Nvidia, MicroStrategies, Tesla, Coinbase.
Probably a relief bounce.
AMD as well. AMD is touching the demand as well. So.
Oh, we're almost at the final low of AMD.
Yeah. Let's look at
the low we really should hit.
Robinhood. Look, Belmar was really bullish about Robinhood, but was no confirmation yet, so we're just dumping, of course. I mean, it's a free load to take out here. But, I mean, every stock is Every big stock is pretty much at,
Bro,
at
Apple
their demand.
is gonna get that decline towards 210. 100%. 100%.
Yeah, you could call it confidently here. I mean, yeah,
Made the lower high, started on the
Yep.
low that tried to break towards new highs. So,
absolutely. Oh, it's looking really clean.
Cheyenne, you should short Apple stock.
Get your wallet ready, Cheyenne. Apple's gonna dump to 210.
Is this gonna be like a new thing?
Cheyenne? Yeah, it can be.
Cheyenne.
Let's look at some.
Trading, live trades with Cheyenne.
Ooh.
If we call Cheyenne into the charts, then there's opportunity.
Yeah, there's something gonna happen where money is gonna be earned. Whoa.
How many views in general did you have now? Not
9.
live viewers. 9. That's
Yeah,
actually a lot.
There should be random people who have been here.
Oh,
but,
that's 100%.
I mean, we scared them away, as I said.
I mean, there's one consistent viewer. That's Trader Cage. That's me on the computer. So I get.
Now there's been
so I
2
can follow
viewers
the
for a
chat.
long time, but he's not chatting, so it could be Wilm. Wilm is not really chatty.
3 viewers. Welcome to the stream, everyone.
What's up? If you want to talk about some charts, please do. We'd like to spar with you guys. Get your views on the chart.
Chat. Bruv, how many likes do you have on this stream?
7, man.
That means that's not organic.
What do you say?
I would.
What is so funny, mate?
So that's where the viewers are coming from.
Where?
Just popping in and leaving a like and then
just
leaving. the stream.
It's Cage with all his alt accounts.
No. There's just 3 alt accounts from Cage.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And there's apparently 3 or 4 from probably SDB. Also,
I don't know if she's
like
watching.
stream.
Maybe she was watching. It could
Oh,
be
if she's a
SDB.
supporter, then if she's a supporter.
Probably she was watching. I would get a message if she was.
Ooh, Cheyenne breaking the low. Cheyenne.
Shine, we're
going to
not
break the
yet
low.
breaking the low. Shine, hold there, don't open the door yet. Oh, Shine, come in, We're breaking the low.
Any gap to flip here, probably.
We have no SMTs as well. It's
Bro, if we
wait,
go below
wait.
this high, we go up, yeah, we have a little SMT.
It's a little SMT.
Yeah, if we break this low, go back towards the lower highs, make a local SMT, I'm shorting that bitch to 0.
Yeah, but
She's
mate,
mine.
as we said.
No, she's mine. That's
You
double
can-
confirmation on the local picture.
No. I mean, this is locally. I mean, we have made this mistake a lot of times. We're still taking out the highs. We have taken out something on the lows. Okay. It's not really ugly. It's not beautiful. Nah. Your big move towards the downside is it confirmed that we break 507.
SDB, welcome to the stream.
It's just one concurrent viewer. It's Cage, unfortunately.
No, it's not one.
Oh.
You were watching on the wrong thing. You have to watch at the small little screen on the top and then to the right.
Yeah,
the bottom
I
thing
see.
doesn't
It's
update.
Three
Bottom-
people. What's up, guys?
3.
Welcome to the stream. As you can see, Shine is coming in the room because we're gonna break the low. If you want to see some...
I mean, there's definitely a possibility that we could break this low, which
Yeah.
we've done right now.
break the low, come
then
back
come-
up, protect the high, break the low again, and then towards
And
the
if we
upside.
get that good SMT on the high there, then I'm down, I think. Then I would be down. But it have to depend on the moment. Because of course we are topping out here. So,
Yeah, it's just before our big liquidity, as we said. We took out
Our
PM
little-
high, we took out London high. It's yeah, we were
We
beginning
have
to hold the lows, protecting the highs. Yeah, it's not. There's no power in the market for upside yet. It's probably
little 2-minute PD with liquidity below. We'll have to break it better though than this because
yeah.
like this. Let's just wait
It's
for the
if we
market,
break this,
see how it
protecting the
reacts.
sides, it's expected we can at least go to 5 or 6 to
That
take
would
out
be,
liquidity because yeah,
expectational order flow right now, yes. Of course, guys, it's no financial advice. We're just planning what we see.
don't trade with us. We have not yet traded on the funded account.
We have
So,
not installed copy trading yet, sort of thing. So if you just copy one trade of us, you could take an L because everyone takes L. Unless you place every trade we place, we can guarantee some profit. But that's not what
yeah,
we're gonna do. We're not live all the time, so
it's
that
pretty
won't
much
happen.
impossible. You should join the Discord if you want to trade with us. Then
100%. I'm running towards that link right now. I'm running towards it.
well, maybe Cheyenne is gonna need to get in this room because ooh.
Yeah, it's valid break for me.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you hold the brake once, so it's fine.
Little SMT on the low, so wanted to go a bit lower.
This isn't the nicest play in confluence with your higher time frame. It's not really beautiful, but protect this low and you draw on liquidity. 9 out of 10 times should be this low at least because you just need liquidity to take out the high. So
It's press Alt E.
That's a good one.
And then you can definitely expect price to move wall up, but in reality down a bit.
Yeah, we just broke structure towards the other side. So towards the upside.
And we
But
took out the first shorters, which looks really good.
Exactly. So the greedy shorters are gone. Yeah, what can we expect? I mean, if you do something like this, the only thing that's in the way is the high time frame. But locally, you could say, yeah, we need liquidity from the other side.
Hi. There were 3 watching just now, and just
They're
one.
gone.
But that means a lot of people are pressing onto that stream, though, and I have sometimes the same problem. Just people pressing on the stream and then just leaving. But
Yeah, watching for a bit and then just.
how
leaving.
can you retain them? You know, I mean,
It's
you're
if they
asking them
don't
to...
leave a chat, you don't know what they want. I mean, we could talk about what we see and we can talk about what we know, but it's just so little. So it might not be in everyone's interest. I mean, what works for us and what we find interesting doesn't mean everybody does think the same of it.
No, but this is just basic market structure. Basic
Yeah,
market.
but you don't have to underestimate how little people know about
How dumb they
basic
are.
market
That's true.
structure and everything. I mean,
If they're just like shy and they're just gonna copy the trade, you
yeah, we're gonna copy trades from
put
the
on.
big YouTubers. We're installing all the indicators, so you don't have to look for yourselves.
That's what most people. Whoop. And
You
that's
still have your screen share on, so I can pull you up and I can go to the toilet.
sure. Go to the toilet, then I can go to the toilet after you. Bro, there's coffee here, there's drinks here. It's...
Well, tell them your plan, man.
What is up, YouTube? We were looking at London here. What we did was, when London opened, we took out a really nice low, and we've got our first hold. That's why I marked this point out. This is where the buyer stepped in and took over from the sellers. So it's a relevant point, and we've made a new high compared to this one. So what is your expectation order flow? That is, after you've made the higher high, it is a lower high for another rotation back towards that high. That is expectation order flow. So pretty much the sweet spot for this longing would be this point, because as I've just said, this is your first hold till you've got the massive push towards the upside. Okay, so looking here locally, what we've done is we've got that little distribution here. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. If you're new here, definitely leave a chat. Come chat with us. What is your plan on the Nasdaq here? And what are you trading today? Tomorrow is, of course, an exciting day. It's CPI. It's a big news event. So what I want to see here locally is what we did is we've built up liquidity on the highs and a lot of liquidity on the lows. We took out the ones on the low and we've hunted this drop-off point. So everyone FOMO shorting into this position right here has probably been stopped out now. So what is our order flow? We had a high, a low, a higher high. When we grab this low, then our expectation would be a lower high for a lower low, like we've just discussed. And that's exactly what happened right now. We had this 2-minute POI above a little bit of liquidity here. And that also literally just made us a new low. So I think we can, if we do not break this low very well, then we can expect price to just keep moving towards the downside here. But,
could it be any clearer than this, right?
Yeah, there's just no confirmation on any play here or something.
No.
It's analyzed really well, of course, and price is doing exactly what we thought, but we cannot. It's
no
not
way
that
of
high
making
probability.
money, no. It's just a gamble. I mean, yeah, you can predict something, but it doesn't mean it's gonna happen.
Then you're gambling every time you place a trade.
Yeah.
I mean, you're playing probability, but so that
you're always really playing probability, but you have to play the highest probability here.
Yes.
Obviously.
And this is correct price action, but not the highest probability.
Wow.
Almost 3R to that low that we had to break, then would be okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Risk to reward, absolutely.
3 viewers watching. Welcome everyone to the stream. Haven't liked it yet, or if you have not subscribed yet, definitely do it, because as you can see, results speak for itself. We are spitting out a lot of knowledge here. And
if you want to know something, please.
If someone was very greedy, then he just have made a bit of money.
Yeah, but, I mean, if you want to trade the 2-minute for value gap.
And there you go. That's a free 70 tick move. It's a lot of ticks for London after London, by the way.
But London wasn't minor as well. It was a 600 tick move. Yeah, almost 700.
Oh.
So it's no joke.
Oh.
So probably New York will be a bit quiet today, but we will see. Yeah. I mean, there is news, so sometimes the news will pump some volatility into New York session.
Of course, news is gambling, but you can already see where the news could go, because all the news does is just speed up the process that it is meant to do. So news just moves towards the liquidity it was going to take anyways. So of course, you should never trade news, and the only way to trade news is wait for the news candle, wait for one side of the news candle to get taken, and then see if you can catch the reversal towards the other side of the news candle, or else you should not trade that. 5 viewers. Welcome everyone, legends.
Leave a like, and the chats are more valuable than the likes for us, so please chat with us. Let us know what you want to see, what you know about trading, what your experience is, what you want to learn.
Let's spar a bit. It's
Yeah.
not you against the world.
No, it's
If
us
you have a
against the
group
world.
of 100%, if you
Yeah.
have a group of people you can work with, then you definitely should, because 1 against a million is not better than 5 against a million, right? I mean, it
100%.
increases your odds times 5. Why shouldn't you do that?
We're live for you guys to give out some free information. So.
Fortunately, no good SMTs on those highs, or else, I mean,
Yeah,
also
I
my
know.
balls, I would have scratched my balls for this, because
Yeah, I mean, as we
it
said,
will
the
look
expected
okay.
order flow is towards liquidity in the lows. You can take out the highs you want to take out, so you need
Of
some
course,
fuel.
and you're going into the trade after you've just taken out all the FOMO people taking over their positions, and then you switch market structure. And as you can see on the chart, of course, this is a 0.5 R runner already.
Absolutely. I mean, everybody
just
that
know-
saw this move is gonna short all the way in this whole move. So stop losses above here. As you see, take out the stop losses, move down, respect your gaps, and go towards liquidity.
There's no one predicting this market like the chart smith.
Well, it's not only me, right? You're here as well. You're predicting it just as good. This is an annoying tune. Let me skip this.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. If you have something to share it with us. Have you traded anything yet today? Have you made some profit? Have you taken an L? If yes, tell us. We can look at the trade you've taken and give some thoughts on it ourselves. Of course, could be using different strategies, but you always have to stay open-minded for things that work. Because if something works, you can combine it into your own strategy. Because everyone is not just using ICT strategy, right? I mean, everyone always has his own little switch on the strategy itself. So you're always going to create your own strategy. It's always the case. No one just one-on-one copies something and that's it. If you have passion for trading, then
yeah, you're gonna make your own strategy and backtest everything.
Bro,
you want to.
This trade, it's running.
Yeah. I mean, every move is predicted, but if you can't.
No, there's a few things missing there.
Absolutely.
It wasn't. I think it was an SMT. That's it. Here.
Higher time frame SMT would make it more interesting. 100%. But
Ivan local was
it.
enough here.
Mean, yeah, it would have been a SMT with this, or a higher time frame, something like that. I mean, every sign was right. You kept open your highs, made the SMT, and then.
Yeah, you've just hunted your drop off, which we predicted as, of course, FOMO people into shorts there, take them out, and then get the market to return the other way again. So
Yep.
It was the perfect place to expect your lower high after we broke that low. But you were missing, and you were really missing an SMT here. If you had a really good SMT, then I think I would have shot this. But SMT is crucial here.
Yeah, I mean this really is a SMT, but it's not a local confirmation.
No, it's not a good SMT.
To just place a 2-minute bearish gap you made. I mean, it's not even the most beautiful gap.
If you had an SMT with the high all the way to the left, like the highest point, then
Yeah,
sure,
yeah. Oh,
I would be down.
100%. Yeah.
But just a high in this move where you have 4, 5, 6 highs, then I'm not gonna see that really as a good
No,
SMT. Yeah, good SMT there. Good SMT with your first high would have been good as well. Then
this would have
you
been
would have
a
taken.
dream scenario. I mean, this is a trade every day of the week. This was your only place to place your trade, so yeah, it's.
Yeah, of course, because you have to think of you also had a distribution, right, in the range. And that's when you push
Absolutely.
down. You took out the FOMO people and you start on moving down again. But you already have a take profit now.
Yeah.
On 2R, of course. Have your trade, perfect trailing stop loss above that high, and you're free to go.
Break even,
You have a free trade running.
Absolutely.
But of course, not the case. Well predicted. Yeah, that would have been so nice, man.
Yeah,
But,
if you have 20 e-falls, you can shoot this every day of the week. But I mean,
100%.
with
you
one
do not
backup
have-
funded account and just one e-fall
No.
account, it's not gonna work out, man. It's
Sometimes I forget we still have a
funded just
PA
laying
account.
there.
Yeah, we do have a funded laying there that's actually gained by just consistent playing trades.
It's almost ready for payouts. I mean, we're on the road to our second account being funded. So
yeah, if we have a second account being funded, it either being you. I mean, I think if this goes correctly, you're earlier funded than me because you've just yesterday shot a really good trade.
Yeah. Video coming, guys.
Then I would still. I mean, then I would be really close to the funded, and then I would think. I would also see that because if I was there, I would have taken the trade as well because it was a really good trade. But,
absolutely. I mean, if I take it, you take it. It's really simple.
It's.
Although you weren't there.
I think if you gain the funded, then 2 funded is.
I think it's
reached.
It's time to trade unfunded as well. I mean,
100%. And we have no other option. Man. We cannot just burn our money, keep burning our money, and
if you
keep
can,
stacking up those funded capital.
If you can get funded once, then twice, then you can do it the third, fourth, and fifth time as well. So that's not a pro. Is this an SMT? No. Okay. Rejecting the low like a motherfucker.
Yeah, that's what you get if
that's gonna happen if you don't have a good SFT and and your expectational order flow in the higher time frame is still just up.
Yes,
you're not gonna take out the good points in the chart. Yeah, yesterday was crazy. 4% on NQ down. It's unbelievable.
Oh yeah, it's insane.
Where did it take this short? It was here, right? Yeah, somewhere. Can't even remember. Yeah. Let me have a look.
Right there. I already see it.
Yeah, it was here. Change of character.
No.
Oh no.
Not there.
It's here.
More to the left.
Yeah.
Nee.
This was an
left.
SFT. I took it over here.
There. Oh, your stream is of course behind the screen. It's a delayed picture.
Yeah, I took it over here. Yeah, this was free.
You know that one from VDV?
No.
You always did that kind of laugh.
Oh yeah. Oh, absolutely.
Do you know the original video of that? It's actually so funny.
No,
the original one.
I don't live that one. I have to show it. So, for the new guys to the stream, if you're here, please leave behind a chat. Talk about what you're looking at, stocks, forex, it doesn't matter. Crypto as well, of course. It's a really interesting market right now, so glad to talk about that as well. So
I think I found it. I will wait for after the stream unless you want to go a
yeah.
bit.
Nah, we can
I'll
watch it
wait
after
for
the
the end.
stream. It's a bit more respectful.
Okay. Let me.
Let's see if we're gonna hold this structure towards the upside. But we know our expectational order flow, the higher time frame, is towards the upside. If we can take this low after taking this local liquidity, don't you think when we come back once and leave open this low again, we first have to hunt something on the highs? Obviously, we have to start taking. Oh no, you have to start taking at least 19,560, so it's out the door already. Yeah, I was gonna say if you come back here, leave open is low again, make an SMT, is that a play for us? But no, you don't have the confirmation. You can take out the high shit. So we have to wait for this high to get taken before we can enter some longs, unfortunately. Or make this high. Um, come back down, leave open is low, make an SMT, hunt the high, come back down, and then towards the upside. That would be a good scenario for us to take a trade.
Bro, this volume, it's always around 12 and around 1 on our time, on Amsterdam
Always a
time. Always
spike.
so much
Always.
volume.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Look at that acceleration towards that low
Yeah,
again.
wow.
Just another. You kept your expectation order flow. Good lower high and another lower low.
Yeah, absolutely. If you can take the highs, you're gonna take the lows. It's really easy like that on the Nasdaq. 16 views, but oh, whoops. Okay, took out the low. Let's see if this is enough, or we have to go to the origin, or this little point over here. It's not the most beautiful point, as I said, but okay, Bitcoin, interesting. Why do you think Bitcoin is relief bouncing from this point and that's not at 73k? Because that is your most obvious demand.
No, well, you still have a little bit of price action if you look on the smaller time frame.
Yeah, I know.
That's why we are reacting from.
Yeah. It was a
And
mixture.
of course, our previous low. I mean, we just had to dump
Yeah.
from the range straight up. Not testing that little part yet, but we have created a range, big range, and we've also just deviated that low because we came above really strong. So
Yeah.
could still accumulate here.
This would be your range, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Interesting.
Yes, sir. So that's pretty good because you have tons of liquidity on the highs. It's just
Yeah, absolutely.
even in that range as well. Not even in this range, but in that previous range, the highs are just filled, man.
Yeah.
But
It's just
I'll
so
do a
large.
crypto stream today as well,
Yeah, we're not
and
gonna
of
go in
course
depth, so
with the little Nasdaq here and there.
if you want to have some crypto knowledge, Trader Cage is the place to be when we're live streaming there. So if nobody has some questions, I think we're gonna end the stream here. I mean, Nasdaq is just a waiting game right now, and we've planned everything, predicted some things, talked some knowledge. So we're just gonna close the stream, and we'll be back on your channel with some crypto
100%.
later this day. And probably, are we gonna trade New York session today? Well, we'll have a look. It depends if New York is interesting. Tomorrow, 100%, we're gonna live stream New York session after the
Oh
CPI,
my.
and
Yeah.
probably during the CPI as well. You can hear.
I'm clickbaiting the title as well. Trading news.
Yeah, exactly.
And if
Trading
everyone's
yearly CPI.
asking, "Are you really gonna trade news?" Then I'll tell them, "No, shy and calm down. Gonna wait
Shine,
for the
we're
news
not
candle."
retail like you.
Yeah. Then I'll explain, of course, how we actually trade news. We do trade news, but not when news is happening.
No,
We'll get
it's
into that
after.
tomorrow for
Yeah.
everyone.
If the news
Watching.
scandal has been there tomorrow, we will spit some knowledge about trading after the news scandal has been made. Okay. Well, everyone that has tuned in, thanks. If you're watching this back, you're a legend. It's great to see you here. You're watching back 1 hour of stream footage. So subscribe and like, and we will see you in the next stream, guys.